up guys, Greeny. Today I'm going to take you on a boat tour off the coast of Kaj, spelled K-A-S with a funny kind of S in Turkey, but it's pronounced J, so Kaj. Anyways, should be pretty spectacular. It's a beautiful day out, sunny. We're just taking off now. Should be a great day. If you ever take one of these boat tours, bring a towel with you. I thought they'd have them, they don't. I don't know. Okay, so we just took off here from Kaj, and right across the way is this island right here. It's called Nice. It's actually a Greek island. So believe it or not, the Greek islands come all the way almost to the coast of Turkey. So it's so amazing. Greece is not even near here. This is all Turkey, and that's Greek right there. So kind of amazing. I was hoping to actually go to that island, but due to the current situation, I won't be able to because it's Greece, and Greece is not allowing tourism. Capacity is 100 people. They have it down to 50 half capacity right now, and I think maybe there's 45 on the boat. Well, we just arrived to our first stop. It's just this little kind of inlet cove, and I guess it's for swimming. So we are stopping for a swim here, and I don't know if you can see how clear this water is, but you can see all the way to the bottom. So I just got done taking a dip, and that water was so, it wasn't too hot, it wasn't too cool, it was perfect temperature. Not sure what they're doing.
I think they lost their drone.
Drone?
Yeah.
Oh.
The flying camera.
From the people that work here, or
No, I think
person?
the visitors.
Oh, that's why I don't fly drone. This happens many times. People lose drones.
Nah, sometimes happens.
Sometimes. Okay, so the drone cost 700. That little drone, it had some other name on it. They said DJI. I know they have the mini.
No American dollar, Turkish lira.
700 Turkish lira?
Turkish lira, yeah.
Oh, okay, so like 100 US dollars. Okay. Glad he found it. He said GPS on it, so that's pretty good. I'll just give you a tour. So the very top of the boat has these beds that you can lay on, and then the very front here, even more beds. But I guess it depends on the angle for total sun, because there's these canopies everywhere. And then here's the main sitting area or dining area or whatever. And the captain's right here. Apparently they're gonna serve food right here. This includes lunch. Okay, so of course I gotta show you the lunch they gave us. I got the meatballs. There's chicken and fish. You guys are from Turkey?
Yeah, Turkey.
Turkey, but you're light.
Mothers.
Yeah.
Mothers. Kosovo.
Oh, Kosovo? Okay. And the good thing we got your drone back. Yeah. That lunch would have cost 10, 12 bucks in the US, and this whole trip cost me 20 bucks for an 8-hour trip. Awesome. You just can't beat the prices in Turkey. Other observations I made here in Turkey, safety is not the #1 concern. I don't think. I don't see any life jackets, and they didn't tell us where the life jackets are, so I don't know.
city is in the side, on the right side on the boat. Teknemizin ön tarafında görmüş olduğunuz bir liman burası, L şeklinde yapı.
So he said the sunken city is right here. Let's see. You can see a little bit.
This is sunken city is on the north side of the island. Sunken city is located on the north side of the island. Its name is Doluchesti or Doluchesti in Libyan.
Okay, so he said the small holes in the walls, there was timber there to make second floors, and the big holes in the wall were for candles at nighttime to illuminate the area, room, whatever it was. So these steps are a little shady here, and apparently this is the way up to the castle. So I'll go up a little ways, see if I can make it up there. Didn't plan on this being a workout day, but never fails. There's always a long walk. So as we go up, all kinds of little vendors selling stuff. Baskets and jewelry. All kinds of cafes, restaurants, bars. We'll stop. Looks like this is the entrance to the castle. Sweet. I've seen a lot of castles. A lot of castles in Turkey. Did not know that there were so many castles here. I thought I was just going to be hanging out on the Mediterranean. I didn't know there'd be so much culture involved in this trip, but it's pretty cool. Love it. Like I said about safety, there's no rails. It's broken concrete, broken stone. Not concrete, I guess this is real stone. So be careful. Careful in Turkey. Well, I made it up to the top of the castle. It's called the Castle of Samina. Sorry.
And Roman theater, Roma theater,
Yeah.
that is just gladiator for showing the power.
Okay.
Soldiers.
I went near.
Aspendos,
Yes, I went to that.
Antalya Aspendos. There is on the world. There is 5 has a big theater.
Yeah.
For Roman, just 5 for gladiator showing the power.
Wow.
What is in Turkey?
So that's the captain. His phone was ringing, but I just went for a swim out here, and I don't know if you can see, but the current was kind of going that way, and it was tough to get in. It was a hell of a swim, and I'm not a good swimmer. All right, just arrived at the 4th stop. Look at this water down here. You see that? So clear. talking to the captain. He was telling me that his father was a captain of the ship. He's been doing it his whole life, and his grandfather actually just took up scuba diving for sponges, collecting sponges or getting sponges from underwater. So quite the marine family. And he grew up here. He's from the city, Kaj. So this has been his life. It's quite a life. Alright guys, it was an awesome boat ride today. We're cruising back into port here in Kaj. And just shout out to Grand Safari. That's the tour company or the boat company. I saw 2 other ones, Grand Safari. Well, actually, Grand Safari 2, 3. Yeah, so that makes 3. So this is just Grand Safari, then Grand Safari 2, Grand Safari 3. So looks like they have 3 boats, and all in succession here coming back in. The tours all end at 6 o'clock, but it was a great time. They did a great job.